So just breaking it apart. Just getting the covering off.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you do it to both sides. I get it.
Yeah, but it's only one wire.
Right. I got it. You just split it in two. Because you're going to put it to two different parts, right? No?
Yeah, it goes to two different parts.
On the same switch.
But it's still on one part.
Got it.
And I say, let's not mess with any paint today.
I think you're right.
Because if we do it now, Mom's going to smell it. And she won't be bitching. So, we leave that go till tomorrow.
Yeah, let's paint
We
tomorrow.
can leave the windows open.
Right.
Put the fans on, sucking out.
Right. Well, let's prepare it for all that.
You understand?
Yep. All right.
Much good.
So do you you're putting it right into that thing, right?
Watch what I do.
I'm watching. You're loosening that one.
Okay.
And that goes underneath. So it's just like the batteries, really, when we did the van stuff, right? Same concept. Goes underneath. Then tighten it down. Okay. And you just curve it.
That's just so you
Like
can,
a curl, kind of.
yeah, just so you can put it around the screw.
Gotcha. Alright. So it goes in the sides where that little slot is. Gotcha.
That's silly.
That one can go.
And if you don't think I didn't have a hard time finding this sucker.
Oh my gosh, I know. It was crazy. Such a simple thing, and it's like you got to ask 5 people.
Yeah, where might I find one? Okay. Dee-dee. Like I said, I have many degrees on the wall,
I get
but the
you.
problem is the wall's invisible.
That's right.
And you don't see them.
I get it. It's just
Just like the average judges the book by the cover.
right.
And doesn't take the time to learn the contents.
This is very true with life. Yeah. All right, so this is approximately a 5-minute
Okay, let's see
project.
how this
Let's see
goes.
how this works.
Made out of a simple extension cord.
Just plug it in right here.
No, I'm going to go plug the light in.
Okay, gotcha. So we're going now. All right.
If anybody's to get shocked, it'll be me.
Yeah, well.
Because it doesn't bother me.
All right. So extension plug goes in. That goes down there. Plug goes in the wall. And then the light is on. As you can see, light is on. And now let's flip the switch. And again, on and off. On and off. A 6 minute and 2 second